Welcome back, and today we're going to discuss a very simple topic, but one that probably stumps a lot of people that are new to crypto and NFTs, and that is, how do you find your crypto wallet address? And what gave me the idea for this video is I got a comment on one of my Ledger tutorial videos saying how I didn't show adequately how to find your crypto wallet address. So that's why I'm making this video, and I'm going to make it as all-inclusive as possible. I'm going to show you how to find your crypto wallet address for Coinbase, Coinbase Wallet, Phantom, Solana, Trust Wallet, as well as your Ledger or your Trezor. So you should be covered no matter what. But before I get into that, realize that I'm not going to be able to show you how to find your crypto wallet address for every single exchange or every single non-custodial wallet that's out there. But rest assured that the process is extremely simple, and it's pretty much the same no matter what the platform is, as you're gonna see. So very simply, here's the step-by-step method for how to find your crypto wallet address no matter what platform you're using. You're just gonna go into whatever platform or wallet you're using. You're gonna go into the crypto that you want to receive or get sent into that wallet or exchange, and then you're gonna go find the receive button, and you're gonna copy that address. And then say that you just copy that address from your new Metamask wallet that you just set up that you're wanting to fund with Ethereum, and you have your Ethereum in Coinbase. Well, now you're gonna go into Coinbase, you're gonna paste that address that you just copied from Metamask, and then you're gonna send your Ethereum from Coinbase to Metamask. Now you may be asking yourself, well, what is your crypto wallet address to begin with? Why is it important? And is it safe to share? Well, your crypto wallet address is essentially like your address for your home or your apartment. It's completely safe to share with somebody, and it's used to let people send crypto assets to you. Just like if you wanted someone to send you a package to your home, you would say, hey, I live at 123 Main Street, and they would send you the package. The same thing goes with your crypto wallet address. You can share it online, you can post it on Reddit if you want, and really the only thing people can do is look up how many assets you have in your wallet and what transfers are, because the blockchain is an open ledger. But nobody can hack into your wallet address just by knowing your crypto wallet address. So know that it's safe to share, and you're gonna have to share it with people if you ever want to enter giveaways or anything like that in the crypto space. So your crypto address is safe to share. It's unique to the crypto that you're getting that address for, meaning you have a specific address for Ethereum, one for Bitcoin, one for Solana, and so on and so forth. And you have to have these addresses if you want someone to send you crypto, or you just want to send crypto to yourself or NFTs to those different wallets or different exchanges, wherever you want to move your funds or assets to. And if I sound a bit nasally, I'm having some sinus issues right now, so just pardon that. Now, enough talking, let's see how to do it. All right, so starting off with Coinbase, very simple. You just go find a crypto. For example, we're going to use Dogecoin because everyone likes Dogecoin, sitting at $0.06. And all you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to go to receive right up here at the top right, hit that button, hit receive, and then you're going to see only send Doge to this address. No other crypto, only Dogecoin. And then hit I understand, and then boom, it's going to show you your Dogecoin address right here. And then you can hit copy to clipboard, so that way you don't have to worry about typing it all out. You never want to do that. Just always copy your address. So that's how you do it with Coinbase. But what about with Coinbase Wallet? Well, it's actually very simple. You just come up here to the Coinbase Wallet extension in your browser. You're going to see your wallet, and then you just come over here to this receive button down here, hit receive, and you're going to see your Ethereum address and your Solana address. And you can just hit these buttons to copy them, and then go paste it in whatever exchange that you're trying to send the crypto from. Now the next one, probably the most popular non-custodial wallet, is Metamask. Also very simple. You just come up here to your browser extension right up here. And what I like to do sometimes is go over here to this expand view, just because you get a bigger view of Metamask. And you're gonna see right here, this is your address. So just hit copy to clipboard, and now it's copied. And if you want to see the entire address, just come over here and hit account details, and you're gonna see the entire address all spelled out for you. And what I always like to do, just kind of as a rule of thumb, whenever you're sending or receiving crypto or NFTs, you just wanna verify these first and last couple characters whenever you're sending crypto, to make sure that you are inputting it correctly and you did copy the entire address properly. Because if you send crypto to the wrong address, there's no way of getting it back. Now the next one is also very simple. If you're into Solana NFTs, you're probably using Phantom quite a bit. So you're gonna wanna go up here to the extension again, up in the browser, hit Phantom, and then you're gonna see your Phantom wallet. And then all you need to do is hit deposit right here, hit Solana, and then you're gonna be brought right here, where you guessed it, you have the copy button for your Solana wallet address. Now, the last one that I'm going to show you before getting into the hardware wallets is Trust Wallet. And I'm going to show you on my computer, but it works exactly the same on your phone. You're just going to come over here into your Trust Wallet, hit, say, for example, Shiba Inu, and then just hit that receive button, and you're going to see your crypto wallet address. And remember that these are crypto specific. You can only use this address for Shiba Inu coin. So you're gonna see this wallet address right here. You can QR code scan it or just hit that copy button right there. All right, now for one of the hardware wallets, Trezor. If you have one of these, you're gonna need to go here into the Trezor suite. You can see your wallet is ready to use, and you're just gonna come down here and pick a crypto. Let's go with Bitcoin. We haven't done Bitcoin yet, and just hit receive Bitcoin. Then you're gonna see the address right here, hit show full address, and then you're gonna need to input your code from your Trezor. And then once you have and you've confirmed that transaction, you're gonna see right here the Bitcoin address for your Trezor, and you just copy it right here or QR code scan it. Now for the Ledger, which is very popular and also my favorite hardware wallet, links down below in the description if you wanna check one out, is you're just gonna go over here into Ledger Live, and you're going to need to have your Ledger connected to your computer. Then all you do is come over here to the accounts tab and then come pick an account like this Ethereum account on my Nano S Plus, hit that account and then hit receive. And then you're gonna see that you need to hit continue. It's gonna load for a minute and tell you that you need to open the Ethereum app on your device. And then it's gonna tell me something went wrong, so just hit retry, see what happens next. It's gonna load for a second again, and it still wasn't working for some reason in that account. I have to look into that a bit more. These things happen with hardware wallets, so keep that in mind. So I went into my other account, Ethereum 1, hit receive, loaded it, opened the Ethereum app on my device, and now, lo and behold, here is our Ethereum address for our Ledger. At least for this account. You can have multiple accounts, as you saw I had, on your hardware devices, even within the same crypto. And then of course, you can just hit the copy button right here, or you can hit show QR code as well if you prefer that method. So I hope that was very simple and easy to use. Remember that this is gonna work as well with Binance or Kraken or Gemini or really any other exchange or platform that you're on. Just follow these same basic steps.